Our next participant is Adam. Start with the baseline test. You're right-handed, right?
Right.
Okay, so. And now with the leg lifted.
Right leg?
Yeah. With the harmonic handset. And you lift the leg.
Try a different angle too. Try to push me out. Out.
Out?
Cause it,
okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure that this is, it's not all in our heads, right? You know? So yeah, try to keep that arm up.
yeah, I'm pushing that same spot right there.
Okay. I feel like we're kind of like about equal in strength, maybe, or approximately, you know. And so it makes it an interesting
trying
test.
a lot to just notice if there's any angular difference of like where you're pushing in each time. And,
yeah.
Even if there is, yeah, I still feel a lot more balance and centeredness here. Like I don't know, it's just
yeah.
I do a lot of qigong and tai chi, and so. And you know, if someone pushes here, my instinct is to balance that out. And I don't know, with this, it just feels like there's a weight that an extra weight that I have that I can kind of move around to redistribute the weight. And so in a way, it's kind of like, yeah, it has that kind of momentum Tai Chi thing where there's a thing in Tai Chi where you do push hands, and it's all about redistributing momentum. And so like this, I don't know, I feel like it does help me kind of have an extra weight to balance you out. So
yeah,
it's interesting.
Yeah, that's cool. This living matrix of energy flow through the body, like meridian systems and all, are based on the specific flow of energy through the body. And the way I see it is these are, because they're resonating this 7.83 hertz, they just have to be right at the skin level within an inch of the body, and it conducts through the entire body and provides just this grounding in the body. And that's how they work, you know.
Why that frequency?
Why that frequency is because it's the frequency that we've been acclimated to for millennia.
Schumann.
Yeah, the Schumann resonance, you know, and now with all this man-made technology in our biosphere, that's been skewed. We're now affected by so many other frequencies.
Yeah. That's
kind of offset this natural balance that we have with the Schumann resonance. And so that's why just putting on this bracelet does have such a profound effect.
Cool.
So,
thanks for letting me try it.
Yeah, man. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks for watching, and visit us at healthharmonic.com or click the link in the description and get your harmonic handset. Try it out today. Thanks again for watching.